windows are going on the cabin, and we have painted them because they were white. This one we bought this on Facebook Marketplace. These we bought at a restore. These are transoms all the same size. And it looks like I'll have to paint another coat. Some areas like down there, right there. It didn't really stick. I don't know. I sanded these all, so I don't know. There might have been some silicone on them or something. But anyway, so that's 4 of those. There's another one over there. And then these 2. These 2 will go in the peaks. I got 2 like this. These will go above, pointing at the river. This will go in the bathroom, in the small bathroom upstairs. That's the other peak window. And this long transom window, we have to measure it to see if it will fit. Looks like 4 feet, maybe a little bit more. See if it'll fit in the downstairs bathroom. So today we're going to rebuild the fireplace. I did this already, but when we tore up this land and tried to level it and clean it up, we burned a lot of logs and trees and stuff, and it just kind of knocked over the stones. And Virginia wanted to redo it and put a fireproof mortar on these stones, so that's what we're going to do today. This stuff doesn't go far. I did 6 stones and 1/4 of a bucket, so we're going to end up using mortar. But this area gets hottest, so this is where we'll put this heat-resistant mortar. But anyway, it's coming along. So what I'm doing is I'm wetting the stones, sweeping off any mud and dirt and whatever grime that might be on them, and then putting the mortar on and placing them. But I'm wetting them first. Some kind of ground cover.
Something like creepy Susie or something like that. Creepy something.
Planting them on that bank, it's pretty sketchy. And it's predominantly stones. We'll see if they stay. She's putting topsoil in there, but I don't know if it'll stay. We're trying. Found out the mortar wouldn't be good, and it would crack and break and explode, so went back to a dry stack the way I had it originally. I just love doing things over again. I'm being facetious. Anyway, it's now back kind of sort of the way it was. I think it looked better the first time, but it is what it is. I'm cleaning up now. Putting away the buckets and the tools. Try to put a few more stones around the outside, and then have other people get rid of big stones like those 3, because we can't lift them. We're stacking some over there on the edge so you don't fall into the river, because it's pretty steep over there. I got a little piece of wood at the very top that's going to come out. I just wedged it in there to make sure that it was secure and the glue dried underneath this. So they got the wall up inside, and it is going to be, I think it's 12 feet from this wall over to that wall, but it's going to be a little bedroom. You can kind of see the bedroom there, from there to there, and halfway between there and there. And the bedroom there'll be another wall here. And then out here will be the bathroom in that far corner over there. Sink, shower going this way, toilet, then sink, and then the stairs going up here to the top floor. So these pieces are for the ledger board that will hold up the pallet wood that we'll be cutting. And yeah, looks like we're gonna have to cut a bunch more. But you know, we'll just have to do that when we get to it. I do have some over there, right there. I need 12 and 11, so maybe I can get them out of those shorter pieces. I'll go measure one right now and see.